Hey everyone, Josh Gibbons here. Welcome back to a new video. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I am honestly just so happy with the way this channel is going, and everyone, like every single video I put out, I will get loads of comments, loads of emails, and I think more than anything that's what it's all about, is that, you know, I'm on this journey, and because of my age, because of my inexperience in business as a whole, and just because of I've documented the whole struggle of setting up this Amazon business, I just think that it is amazing when I get asked questions about how other people can start an Amazon business as an under 18, and just it's really incredible for everyone else to support me on this journey. So I'm really looking forward to growing this channel even more, doing some collaborations with other Amazon FBA YouTubers, so look forward to some of those. I think that would be pretty cool. So this is kind of an update. The title is going to be something along the lines of bouncing back, because if you didn't see my last video, you'll know that I actually got 2 negative reviews, and despite getting 3.4 thousand in my first month of my launch, I actually started to get a bit of a downfall, because after Christmas I got a couple of bad reviews, and since then it was really poor sales, you know, 1 a day, some 0 a day. So I'm kind of documenting this journey of bouncing back to a great level. And first thing I want to mention is I'm back to 4 stars. So literally, you know, during this whole time of making videos about being put down to 3.5 stars, which had a huge impact on the sales, like literally it went from incredible to just like 0 overnight. A couple of days after that, I looked on my listing, and one of my real customers, so not someone that I paid to leave a review, a real customer left an amazing review, and it just made me smile. It pushed us back up to 4 stars, and I'm just so happy that, you know, it just gave me that confidence again that this is a great product. And those other bad reviews, I think I'm still suspicious that they were competitors, but either way, like, there is proof that my product is great. So I'm still in the plan of getting a few more positive reviews from actual buyers, so verified purchasers. So hopefully, even if we can get up to 4.5 stars, I think that would have a big impact, because already I've got some updates to share about how just half a star going from 3.5 to 4 has impacted my sales. So this is the complete sales chart of the whole time I've been selling. Now this here is Christmas. This section here where it says 23rd, you can see how the launch went super well up to Christmas, and then I got 2 negative reviews here, and ever since then it was kind of 1 a day, none, 1, none. So this bit here in the bottom right corner is where we've started to pick things up again. I actually, from getting like 1 sale or no sales, one day I actually got 4 sales. So this isn't a lot, as you can see, compared to my previous chart. But if you can imagine expecting to wake up and go through the day getting no sales at all, and getting 4 is you know, a huge relief, and it was really happy for me to see that. So, and then I got 2, I got 1 there, and then I got 2 again. But the thing is, we are back on the rise very steadily. I think what's most important is just the learning curve of, you know, you've got to sort out your listing. You've got to make everything clear as day. People get confused, and if they leave a negative review because they get confused about something, it's your fault, and you will see the negative impact just like I have. So at the moment, I'm still figuring out some PPC. I'm figuring out my manual strategy, getting on the first page, trying to get these sales up again. And as you can see, we've started to gradually get that on the rise. But I wanted to make an update video. And then this last picture here is promotion. One thing that I have done also is add a promotion of if people buy 2, they get 10% off. So this can kind of encourage my rank. If someone buys the 2 instead of the 1, then it will boost my BSR, and then obviously help with sales. So At the moment, January is not profitable because of I'm spending more PPC than I'm getting back in sales. However, overall, I'm still profitable, you know, mainly because of this here, which is giving me a bit of a safety barrier to, you know, re-rank. But yeah, that is an update from me, guys. Thank you very much again for 200 subscribers, for all the emails and comments from you guys supporting my journey. You know, if this is something you're thinking about as well, and you don't really know where to learn, I can only recommend Johnny Bradley's course. It's the link in the description. You've probably heard about it. His course is just growing every single day. More videos, more modules. So if you're thinking about it, just go search johnnybradley.com. Or if you feel like supporting me as well, then you can go through the link in the description. But either way, it doesn't matter. I want you to learn. I got a comment about someone who is feeling a bit fearful of starting. And, you know, just please look at me. Please go back and watch all my videos. I'm just a kid. Like, I am no different to any other normal person on this planet. You know, I just, for some weird reason, my brain said, I'm going to do it. And I did it, and I'm seeing incredible results, as you can see by my previous launch result videos. So just please take the plunge, guys. Go for it. You won't even believe the results yourself when you come to it. So thank you very much once again, everyone. I hope your journeys are going well, and I'll see you later.